Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express and expand and simplify this particular expression. So the very first thing is, now that we have learned how to expand and simplify linear expression, we do take note that there are three groups of 2x as well as three groups of 4. And therefore you will see that 3 groups of 2x will be 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 groups of 4, 12. And we are done. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are trying to expand and simplify the following expression. And for this particular question, then we can actually see this as negative 2 groups of 3, meaning we are going to multiply negative 2 by 3x to give me negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 5, positive 10. And we have come to the end of this segment. If you like this video, do feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this segment where we are going to expand and simplify this expression. And do take note, when I work on this particular problem, I see there are 2 groups of negative 2x plus 1. The plus 3 is separate. Okay? So I'm going to simplify this group first. 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x. 2 times positive 1, positive 2. And we still have a plus 3 outside. And therefore, final answer, negative 4x. Do simplify the like terms, 2 and 3. This will give me positive 5. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day as we move on to other parts of this problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to expand and simplify this. So I see a negative 7 multiplied by negative 2x plus 1. So we will attempt to do this first, alright? The plus 7 later on then we will do. So I will have negative 7 multiplied by negative 2x. Negative times negative, positive. In this case is 14x. Again, I multiply negative 7 multiplied by 1. Negative 7. I still have a plus 7. And final answer for this question will be 14x. Because, do take note, negative 7 plus 7 is the same as 7 minus 7. And this one actually will be equals to 0. And when we have a 0, we are not required to write it down in the answer. So that's the end of this part of the problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to expand and simplify 2a plus 1/3 of 7 minus a. So the 2a is outside. Let's just do it there first. Do take note. Now we are attempt to simplify this. And there's a positive 1/3 multiplied by 7. This will give me positive 7 over 3. Positive 1/3 multiplied by negative a. Negative 1/3 a. And now having the like terms A, and do take note at this point here. Then I will rewrite the 2 as 2 over 1 so that you will see me multiply by 3 such that I will get 6 over 3A, and I'll still have my minus 1/3 A, the like term. Not forgetting my plus 7 over 3. And finally, this will be the final answer. 6 over 3A minus 1/3 A will give me 5 over 3A. And this one is plus 7 over 3. And this will be the final answer. So we have come to the end of this part of the problem. Thank you for watching till this part. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to simplify 5 over 2x minus 1/3 times x minus 3. So later on you will see me focusing on this. First, we do simplify the bracket first. And you must see this as negative 1/3 multiplied by x is negative 1/3 x. Negative 1/3 times negative 3, positive 1. So I repeat, I must see it as negative 1/3 multiplied by negative 3. This will give me my positive 1. Okay? And let's continue. And from here you will then see that my like term, x, has a different denominator, and therefore I will need to change them to the same denominator. 15 over 6 x minus 2 over 6x. Still got my plus 1. Therefore, final answer, 15 over 6 minus 2 over 6. I will get 13 over 6x plus 1. And do leave your coefficient in improper fractions. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.